Hey everyone! Welcome back to Urwat Wo Point Zero. I'm Urwa, and today we're diving into a topic that can truly transform your health: quitting sugar. Whether you're looking to boost energy, lose weight, or just live a healthier life, these 5 habits will help you kick the sugar habit to the curb. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our health and wellness content. Let's jump right in. Segment 1: Understanding Hidden Sugars. Habit number 1 is all about understanding hidden sugars. Sugar can sneak into our diets in various forms, even in seemingly healthy foods. We'll explore how to read labels, identify hidden sugars, and make informed choices to reduce your overall sugar intake. Segment 2: Opting for Natural Sweeteners. Moving on to habit number 2: Opting for natural sweeteners. We'll discuss healthier alternatives like honey, maple syrup, or stevia that can satisfy your sweet tooth without the negative effects of refined sugars. Learn how to make the switch seamlessly in your daily life. Segment 3: Mindful Eating Practices. Habit number 3 centers around mindful eating practices. Discover how being present during meals, paying attention to hunger and fullness cues, and savoring each bite can help you break free from mindless sugar consumption. It's all about fostering a healthier relationship with food. Segment 4: Balanced Nutritional Choices. Habit number 4 emphasizes the importance of balanced nutritional choices. We'll explore how a well-rounded diet, rich in whole foods, can naturally reduce sugar cravings. Find out which foods can help stabilize your blood sugar levels and keep those cravings at bay. Segment 5: Gradual Reduction and Celebrating Success. Last but not least, habit number 5 is all about a gradual reduction and celebrating your success. Quitting sugar is a journey, not a sprint. We'll discuss how taking small steps and celebrating milestones along the way can make the process more manageable and sustainable. There you have it: 5 habits to help you quit sugar and embark on a journey to better health. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know in the comments if you have any other health topics you'd like us to cover. Remember, it's not about perfection but progress. Thanks for joining us on Urwat Wo Point Zero, and until next time, take care and prioritize your health.